G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I'm on the road. Today I'm on the island of Maui in Hawaii and I'm going to the Maui Ocean Centre. So if you're looking for something to do or things to do on the island of Maui, this is one of them. It'll probably come up on the researching your list, and in this video I'm going to dive in there, take a look at everything it's got to offer and give you my thoughts on whether or not this is a good place to visit for you. Let's go. Righto, so I just finished a couple of hours at the Maui Ocean Centre, and yeah, it's a really nice little spot they've put together here. It's not the world's biggest place, that's for sure. I know you could probably walk from one end to the other in a couple of minutes if you really wanted to hustle through, but there's a lot going on. I really like the way that they've actually done the design. They've kind of tiered it, the kind of starting bit. So you start at like the top of the reef, and you go to mid reef, and you go to lower reef, and you got to go down, and they've got like real live coral and really plentiful tanks filled with a great variety of fish.
This fragrance was used to scent cotton cloth, so that was the traditional Hawaiian clothing, or is the traditional Hawaiian clothing. And yeah, you can just throw it right back over there. And that scent, actually, it's an insect repellent, so it'll help keep away flies, things of that sort. And you could also use this plant to help with minor nausea and migraine. And yeah, we're a regional aquarium as well, so all the animals that you're seeing in this exhibit and every exhibit here at the aquarium, they're found here in Hawaii. Same sorts of marine life you can see out swimming or snorkeling, but one of the benefits of seeing them at an aquarium is you can see those more rare species that you're maybe not necessarily seeing every time you go out in the ocean. It also makes marine biology and marine science more accessible to those who might not be able to go out into the ocean. It still gives you an opportunity to see and observe and feel connected with these ecosystems. And this one here is a zebra blenny. They're an endemic species, very common in tide pool environments, and even though they look kind of like a small drab gray fish, they are so full of personality. This guy will squirt water out of the exhibit and beg for food from the aquarists here. A lot of these animals have a much stronger personality than people give a fish credit for.
Behind me here there's a sharks and jellyfish area. There's a museum in there as well with a lot of interesting cultural information about the island and how it's put together. It's a fantastic presentation in a sphere. It's like a 3D humpback whale presentation, which I thought was really cool. It's not awfully long, but it's really, really awesome the way that they've done it. Really nice seats, great audio, incredible audio. And a few little places here where you can learn as well about bits and pieces, about the coral, about the turtles. So a good educational source as well for the kids. Plenty of shaded areas. Little cafe in here as well, does good coffee. And I actually had what was it called? A Dole Whip. I've never had one before, like a pineapples flavoured ice cream. It was really refreshing, it was really good. So yeah, I think, especially in particular with kids, I enjoyed it. But I think with the kids would really enjoy it, especially when you get to walk through the tunnels, so you can actually kind of like walk underneath the sharks and the stingrays, and huge fish. And overall, I think that their heart's in the right place. Just talking to the guys that run it and the stuff that they're doing for rehabilitation of injured animals, those generally caught in fishing lines and stuff around the shores, like so turtles in particular. So all the rehabilitation they're doing that. Also coral, so helping to basically breed coral and then get it back out to areas of the reef where it's been damaged. So a lot of good work like that. They're expanding too. They're telling us that they've got a kelp, a seaweed area that they're opening up, hopefully by the end of 2025. And there's also a Japanese shrine in the area that's going to open up as an exhibit, which will allow you to kind of go and learn a bit more about what originally used to be here, which was a Japanese fishing village as well. So not a very, like I said, not a very, very big spot, but it's actually packed a little bit, like quite a lot into this little space. And there's just little nice touches everywhere, like some information about the local flora. You can see like outrigger canoes, like the one here, in bits and pieces. There's actually some really awesome stuff in the museum. It's quite interesting, just touching on a kind of cultural history of the area as well, and how that relates obviously to the ocean, and a great variety of wildlife to see. Jellyfish, the sharks, the stingrays, the seahorses, sea cucumbers. Get up pretty close and personal with a lot of them. So yeah, I think they've done a really good job here. It's definitely worth dropping by. I don't think you probably need more than a couple of hours here, but I think the kids will really get into it. I certainly enjoyed it. And there's actually a fair bit going on around here as well. So there's almost like a shopping mall right beside it. It's just, you know, like a 100-metre walk away with souvenirs and everything. They've actually got some souvenirs here, a souvenir shop here, that has things that you cannot buy anywhere else. You have to turn up here in person and get it. So I'm actually haven't had a look up there yet. I'm going to have a look at that now. But yeah. Oh, and there's also shows and presentations. I should mention that. So most of the places will have. So you might want to just check this before you come to make sure you don't miss out. But you see here. So there was the nursery bay here had 2 different presentations today. The staff that I've spoken to, that I've overheard doing tours for other people, we also got a tour from a lady called Sarah. We're really good, really informed and knowledgeable people. Anyway, there's a quick review and overview of the Maui Ocean Centre. One of many great things to do on the island of Maui when you're in Hawaii. Anyway, I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos. Got plenty going up around Hawaii and Maui in particular. That's for me. Getting back on the road. Ew.